We took a new delivery here at Shitbox HQ on Sunday. We've got this Mk1 Mx5. It's a Jap import, so it's an Eunos. British racing green, hard top, tan interior. It's pretty good. Had a little drive of it on Sunday. We picked it up from Oldham, which is 70 miles from here. We drove it back on a tray plate and there was no issues, nothing. So there'll be more on this soon. That's just a glimpse of it to wet your beak, as I like to say. But yeah, no rest for a Rotbox driver on a Sunday. Too busy shitboxing. Always shitboxing. We did Sunday surgery on the race car on the KP Starlet. See, it's stripped out the back end of it now. I think I can hear my mate's bike coming in the distance. He's coming back up again for a spat. Oh, a bit more welding on it today. But what broke's repaired. We've got more welding to do yet. Dress the welds, tidy up. Here he is. Look at that. Welding on wheels. Finished work early like me, and he drove 70 miles from Manchester over here. Give me a dig out on this. You see he's gusset it. We've got gussets now where it broke. We've got big fucking tasty welds. It's a proper job now. He's going to tidy up some of the other welding that looks a bit shocking on it for me today. And that's it. We'll put it back together. That's all I've got to really tell you. So it broke on Friday. On Sunday it was fixed. So you can sit there crying, or you can just fucking get on with it. I know which one I prefer. There's no point crying, is there? Waste of time. Monday evening, 7 PM, and remember me saying, you know, you've just got to just buy these things and see what you've got. You can look over them over and over again and you won't see things. So no matter how far you are looking at something beforehand, you're always going to have problems when you take ownership of something of this off someone. So yeah, welding still 7 o'clock at night on Monday, all day Sunday, most of the day Monday. But like I said, we'll see what we've got, and evidently we've got a bag of shit. But there's a lot of bad welding we found around the back, but we've gone through it all. It's pretty solid now, so we'll see where we go from here. This is to be continued. It's just a quick update. But yeah, we said we'll see what we get, and it looked, you know, it's pretty good what we've got really, but that back end was atrocious. But like, what a way to get to know a car. We've been right through it now over the last week or so, going around it, so I feel very familiar with it now. Let's just see if we can get it to a state where we can actually drive it properly and then go from there.